Hello and welcome to another quick tech tip with the Bearded Tech Guy. In this video, we will be going over how to set up the Aputure Amaran 100D light with the Sidus Link app. The Sidus Link app allows for you to control your light or sets of lights right from your phone. This lets you turn lights on or off and trigger different scenes without having to touch your lights, which can be very helpful if you have your lights mounted or don't want to have to readjust your lights. To get started, open the Sidus Link app. If this is your first time opening the app, you will be prompted to grant a few different permissions. On Android, you must allow location access. This is required for Bluetooth functionality. If you haven't already, you will also need to create an account. And if you already have one, you can log in. Once logged in, you'll see the main section with a few different scenes. You can click on the three-dot menu to the right of a scene to rename it, delete it, or share it. I'm just going to quickly delete the scenes I don't need and rename the one I'm keeping to something more meaningful for me. To add a light, you must first click on the scene, and on the new screen that opens, click on the green plus sign on the top right hand of the screen. Doing so will bring you to a new screen, and your phone will start searching for light fixtures. Next, set your light into pairing mode. Depending on your light, this step can be a bit different. But for the Amaran 100D, as well as the 100X, 200D, and 200X, you'll need to hold down the Bluetooth reset button on the back of your light until the screen shows 100% success. This will only take a few seconds. A few seconds afterwards, your phone should show your new light. Select it and click on Setup at the bottom of the screen. Doing so will add it to your currently selected scene within the Sidus Link app, and you will be prompted with a success message once it's completed. Click on OK to continue. Clicking on the three-dot menu to the right of the light fixture will allow for you to rename the light, set the fan mode if supported, set the light as master node for the scene, update the firmware, and delete the light. I'm going to rename my light to something more meaningful to me, just in case I get more lights in the future. Clicking on the individual light will bring you into the settings for that light, while clicking on all fixtures would bring you to the settings for all the lights in that scene. Seeing as I have only one light, I'll just click on the light itself. Here I can control the brightness of the light, turn the light on or off, and make changes to the dimming curve. Under System, there are several effects your light can do, such as paparazzi, fireworks, faulty light, and TV. You may have more or less effects here, depending on your light. And under Manual, you are able to set up your own type of effects for your light. This can be helpful if you are trying to create an effect that isn't covered under the included effects for your light. One thing to note, even if you turn the light off in the app, the light itself will stay on, and need to be powered on to be able to control the light from your phone. While not a big deal for most, if you don't plan on using your light that often, you may want to consider fully turning the light off when not in use, to save on electricity and to reduce wear on your light's electronics over time. I would love to know what you think of the Sidus Link app, or if you've created any custom effects, so make sure to let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you have any issues setting this up, don't hesitate to ask. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as it helps the video perform better within the YouTube algorithm. And if you aren't already, consider subscribing to the channel and enabling notifications to be one of the first to know when I release other tech and gadget related videos just like this one. Thank you for watching.